What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Polygon. We saw a throwback and we're hitting a major level of resistance. Currently we're up about 9% on the day. We're sitting at $1.53. We're seeing a market cap of 9.87 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 1.11 billion. So we're gonna hop straight into it, guys. We're gonna start here on the hourly. So we had our head and shoulders pattern, but I did say there is a high likelihood of a throwback as the bulls are just looking so strong. That's exactly what we saw. We saw a throwback, and we're coming up and we're testing $1.2053, which is the golden ratio, absolute major level of resistance. Now, if we look here on the daily, we're very close to our technical target from our bull pennant. So if you guys got in on that trade, that was such a juicy trade of, wow, almost 45% here. Now, there is something to be a little bit concerned about. If we look at Ethereum here, I'm just going to quickly show it to you guys here. On the daily, it's just that bearish divergence on the daily. In my opinion, bearish divergences on the daily are the ones you want to pay the most attention to, as they have the highest likelihood of playing out. And you can see the price is still rising and the RSI is still falling. Now, that doesn't mean we won't go up to 3557 or see that continuation, but it's just something to be cautious about when you're entering your long trades. We are a little bit overextended, but as you can see, the 20 EMA is creeping back up to the candles, which is healthy, guys. So we'll pop into Ethereum on the 1 hour chart. So here too, we had our head and shoulders. We also had a bear pennant, but we just broke to the upside. I'm just going to quickly move this out. Now we also have a bull pennant here on the hourly chart. So if you do see that breakout to the upside, you can measure your flagpole here, and that could bring you up. Wow, pretty close to the 0.786. We are above the golden ratio for Ethereum at 3470, and then your next target would be the 0.786 at 3571. But do keep an eye on that bearish divergence on the daily, as well as we're seeing a little bit of decrease in volume here. So those are a couple warning signs that you should be aware of if you're entering long trades here, or if you're in a long trade for Ethereum or for Matic. So we'll finish the video on the daily here for Matic. So if we do continue to hit resistance here and we do see a bit of a further correction, we do have the 0.5 at about $1.30, could be a strong level of support. And then of course we have that major level at around $1.24 that we've been covering on the channel. But if we break the golden ratio here, we backtest it as support, that will be a strong sign of continuation. But if we see some consolidation here, that would be healthy as well to allow the 20 EMA to creep back up to the candles. And once we break through the golden ratio, we backtest it as support. We have that $1.58, and then we have the 0.786 for Matic, which is all the way up at about $2 here. And you can see it here for Matic as well. There is a bit of a decrease in volume. So just keep an eye on these signals here, this bearish divergence and the decrease in volume for Ethereum. It can signify a correction here. I'm still waiting for Ethereum to break our ascending channel here to give us some more confirmation if we're going to continue to the upside or if we're going to see a bit of a correction here. So we'll finish with Matic on the hourly chart. So if you do see us break above $1.53, backtest it as support. We have that breakout target $1.58, and then we have the 0.786, which is up very close to $2 here. And then if we do continue to hit resistance, if you see resistance, and we finally see a bit of a larger correction, we could come down here to about $1.29, $1.30, and we have that major level support at $1.24. All right, guys. So just a quick update. I just wanted to make you guys aware of that divergence and the fact we are seeing a little less volume here with Ethereum, which could signify that we may see a little bit of correction, but we've just been looking so strong. So if we see that volume start to spike, then we could head up to these next price targets. 3557 for Ethereum, and for Matic $1.58 in that $2 range. But a correction will come, guys, because the harder we pump, the steeper the correction. All right, guys. So that's it for this one, guys. Make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses. Ends in just a couple days. It's top of the comment section. Follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.